Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to draw a cartoon cat. Okay, so let's get to it. The first thing we need to do here is to draw an oval like this. Very lightly, draw it very lightly, an oval like this. Okay, then we will do another oval like this. All right, we're going to be drawing a series of ovals. All right, okay, so another one here. Okay, one here. Make sure you'll do that very lightly. Okay, and we're gonna do another oval here. Okay, and look at this, we're just gonna do a swoopy line like this here. Okay, so we're gonna do our cat. So this hair would represent the head, this hair would represent the body. Okay, this hair, 1, 2, 3, 4, going to represent the feet and the legs of the cat. Okay, we won't be able to see the one at the back here. Okay, so we've seen only 3 legs because of the angle. Okay, and this hair, I sure you have guessed it, is the tail. Okay, so let's start working on the head. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do on the head here is to just draw a line to represent halfway down the head. Okay, you don't need to measure, just make an estimation. All right, okay, all right, and I'm going to draw a line here to represent where the nose would be. In fact, the eye line here, sorry, where the eye line would be. Okay, and okay, so let's start doing some stuff. So you know that cats have some pointy ears like this here. Okay, you'll see that. Okay, so our eye, the eye here. All right, you'll have that. Let's put the eyebrows one time. All right, so we're just gonna draw a little upside down triangle nose right here. You all have that? Nice. So for the mouth, okay, we're just gonna draw curve like this here for the mouth. All right, and just draw a little line here, okay, below the mouth. 2 little lines here. Okay, so we see our cat has a face now. All right, we have his eyebrows, we have his eyes, nose, okay, and the mouth. All right, so what we're gonna do now, okay, this part of the mouth here, okay, we're gonna draw his whiskers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now when you're doing the whiskers, what you can do is make sure that your point is very sharp. Okay, make sure you sharpen your pencil so you'll get, okay, thin lines. Okay, all right, if you're using your tablet, make sure the lines are thin. All right, okay, so we have this part of our cat. Okay, so let's start working on the ears, some detail on the ears here. Okay, all right, see, one line here and we have some squiggly lines coming down here. Okay, all right, we'll do the same on the opposite side like this. All right, one line here and some squiggly lines coming like this here, showing the cat's ears. All right. Okay, so what we do here, we darken the top here. Okay, and on this side here, look at what I'm doing. Let me zoom in on that for you. Okay, on this side here, what we're gonna do, just gonna I want 3 of this here. Okay, we're gonna bring this down here, darken. Okay, we're gonna do the same on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3. We can even just add a smaller one here. Okay, we want it to be asymmetrical. Okay, more natural, you know. Okay, all right, so this side here. Okay, all right, so we have our cat's head. Okay, so let's start working on the body. Okay, so what we're gonna do on this back here, we're just gonna put that little curve here. A little curve. And this leg here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, okay, just add another oval here. I forgot to put that oval in here. Okay, and we're just gonna, okay, let me zoom in on that for you. Okay, all right, and all right. Now this here, have the cats. All right. Okay, on this leg here. Okay, we're just darkening our edges here and just putting some our finer details in here. Okay. All right, so we're just going to do a little pause right here. Okay, now on this area here is chest. Remember the same thing we did on the side of the face here. We're gonna do it on the chest. Okay, so you have some fur. So this oval here would represent the paw. So our cat is like it's asking for some food, you know. So just 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our cat is asking for some food, so we have the paw right here. Okay, meow. All right, okay, so let's darken our tail. Darken the tail right here. Okay, okay, so we have the cat right here. All right, so we have the whiskers and everything. So we don't want our cat to be plain, you know. We want some stripes and so on our cat. So let's just start adding. Well, that's my cat, but you could add whatever stripes that you want to your cat. Sometimes you may not want your cat to have a stripe, so it's up to you. Okay, so 2 stripes here. I'm gonna have one here, the other one here, and here. Okay, you can even have one on the back. And on the tail here, look at what I'm going to do on the tail. Okay, all right, and just one more on the tail here. Okay, if you want to, we can just shade up these parts of our stripes on our cat. You like cats? I like cats. I like dogs and cats. They're good pets to have. Some people prefer dogs and cats. Some people prefer cats and dogs. We are all different. That is why when we do our art pieces, even if we draw the same thing, everyone has their own style. So don't feel discouraged when you see your artwork looking a little different to somebody else's. That's your style, you know. That's your style that you adopt. All right. Okay. Shade that up. Okay, we have this here. All right, so get my eraser. You can get your eraser as well. And just get rid of some of the construction lines right here. Some of these lines come in here and here. Just this one. All right, and okay, so we have the cat here. This area here, I forgot to darken. Okay, his belly. Okay, so we're gonna just add in some accessories for our cat. So we're gonna just make a little bowl. Okay. Little bowl for our cat. He's asking for some food, so it's empty, right? So we're just gonna put his name. What name should I call him? I'll call him Bubbles. Bubbles. And as before in our previous tutorials, okay, we are going to draw a line to represent the surface. The cat is on the surface, is not floating, so we have our line here. Okay, all right, if you want to, we can just add some more fur on our cat, some lines to represent some movement here on the, okay, on the paw. Okay, so here guys, we have our cartoon cat. What do you think? He looks cute, he looks good. I'm sure yours will look better. But wait a minute, I forgot to do something. What do you think I forgot? You're right. I forgot to put in my signature. I'm going to put my signature right here, and you need to put your signature too. You are proud of your work, so the whole world needs to see who created this masterpiece. And I'm sure yours is a masterpiece. Okay, now look at the pose of the cat. We have the side angle and his head is tilted to the front so that he'll be able to see us. All right, but we could have used the same pose we use for our drawing a cartoon dog tutorial. But I would like you guys to learn a new pose. So I use this pose instead. And you can even incorporate this pose in your cartoon dog. What do you think? Give it a try. And don't forget to practice, practice, practice. And if you are new to this channel, don't hesitate. Like, leave us a comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so that you will get all our notifications. See you later, guys.